Hello everyone, so let's go through the LYFT app. So this is one of the main competitors to Uber in United States. So to install this app, just go to the App Store, search for LYFT. But the size of this app is almost like 400 megabytes right now, so it's pretty large app. So it's similar to some big games. Um, yep. Some people like Lyft, some people like Uber, other people like Bolt or some other services in Europe where Lyft and Uber are sometimes banned. So just depends on you. It has like 10 million ratings, 4.9 out of 5 average review. So it's one of those massive apps. And then let's just see how you can install it. In case you are using Uber already, maybe you can try this or some people like this app, some other people like Uber. It's very good when there is some competition and like there is no like monopoly from one app which can then set up like massive prices and nobody can compete. So it's good that there are a bunch of these ride sharing apps. So then you just open the Lyft app and then you can set up as a driver or you can set up as a customer. So here I can then just set up a new account. So here it is, and then I can just enter my details. Then I just need to agree, and then I can allow notifications. How would you like to pay? You can add PayPal, Apple Pay, credit, debit card. Then you can just keep that. You can add photo, and then you can know someone who needs a ride, invite them to Lyft. Type less, write more. You can add home, you can add work, track your ride with push notifications, allow. Okay, so then you just need to accept all of these new requirements. And that's about that. So finally you're in the app and you just signed up. So that's the idea. That's how you open up the app, and then how you create an account. And then there are all these settings, and I'll try to do an full overview in another video. This video was just about the process how you create an account. So as you can see, it's pretty fast, it's super easy. Just the app size is around 400 megabytes, so you need to have storage on your phone to do that. But if you just have some older phone, just need to be careful. But for newer phones, it should be completely fine. So that's that.